Okay, divas, I had to come on here and do a voiceover. As you noticed, as I walked into the room, it was hard for me to turn the light on. It was very, very dark. The room had a very sour smell. The walls are very thin. I was hearing people next to me. There was nowhere for me to place my luggage. I am not that one to put my luggage on the bed. I noticed the floors were dirty, the carpet was dirty, even the throw pillow looked dirty. I noticed that me staying there, I tried turning the heat up on sky high, and I was freezing the whole while I was there. The heat just wouldn't go up. Also, I tried calling the front desk numerous of times. The phone did not work. The outlets, they only had two. They seemed to have been very, very outdated. So it was very hard to plug my phone in, to charge it, to use it all while I was there. And I also noticed that the bathroom was very small. This hotel looked nothing like the photos that I seen online, but I do give the customer service a good review. The people were very nice and kind. The food was top tier. The bar was top tier. After my travels of that day, I definitely needed a drink and I needed to grab a bite to eat because it was pouring rain and it was freezing in Chicago, the windy city of all places. Enjoy the montage. All right, I made it, and what an adventure it was. So I'm gonna get myself unpacked and settled and walk around the hotel, I guess, and see what it's about. And it's raining in Chicago. It's cold. It's windy. I don't know. All right, I'll check back with y'all.